Hi, my name is Tanner. I'm the technology concierge here at Courtesy Acura, and today we're going to go over how to use Apple CarPlay in the new 2019 Acura Line-up with a special focus on the 2019 RDX. So to start out, we need to flip down this cover and plug our USB into right there, and for an iPhone we're going to be using a lightning cable. So here in the MDX, now that my cord is plugged into the system, I will plug my cord into my phone. And now I'm going to always enable up here. And on my phone, I'm going to allow it. Now, up here on the screen, we can select whichever app we want. And now with Apple CarPlay in the RDX, it does change just slightly on how you select things. Instead of the one-to-one mapping where you just touch wherever you want, it is more like moving a mouse cursor around, where you just move your finger to around selecting different things. And let's say I want music. And then move my way over to music, select it there, and it also opens it up on my phone. It just works one-to-one between them. Also with Apple CarPlay connected, you can press and hold the talk button over here on the steering wheel until Siri comes up. Siri, read my last message.
I found your most recent message from Aiden Weinberger, testing Apple CarPlay. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Awesome, period.
Your message says awesome. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Simple as that to send and receive messages. And so that is Apple CarPlay. So thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Tanner. I'm the technology concierge here at the dealership. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at the dealership and ask for Tanner.